and welcome back to today's class. Our task today is to see how we can solve this nested equation. All right. The question is, if x all over x plus x all over x plus x plus x all over x plus x plus x plus x all over x plus x plus x plus x plus x all over x plus x plus x plus x all over x plus x plus x all over x plus x all over x equals 1 all over 360. We are asked to find the value of x. All right. Questions like this, first of all, is to understand the pattern. If you understand the pattern, then you can solve it. All right, let's go. So to solve this, first of all, let's start from the top. Let's start from the top. If we start from this top here, we'll have that. If we start from the top, we'll have that. From here, we have x there, right? So that's x all over. X plus x here gives us 2x. Now, clearly, all over x plus x plus x gives us 3x. We are going to stop here. So x plus x plus x plus x gives us what? 4x. All right, so clearly, what can you see? This here can cancel out this one. And we have what? 1 all over 2. 1 over 2 all over what? 3x all over what? 4x. Now, this is what we are going to do. We are going to say, since we are starting from the top, we'll say that 1 over 2 divided by 3x. So from here, this becomes 1 over 2 divided by 3x. So you put here over 1. So it becomes 1 over 2 times the interchange 1 all over 3x. And this becomes 1 all over what? 6x. So since the whole of this now equals 6x, or now equals 1 all over 6x, we'll now say that 1 all over 6x divided by 4x. So we'll say that 1 all over 6x divided by 4x. So put over 1 here. So clearly this 1 all over 6x times what? 1 all over 4x. And this is giving us what? 1 all over 24x squared. All right, this for the top. That's for the top. All right, let's continue. So from here, we'll find out that if we want to check the bottom, let me clear so have space. Have space. All right, this is for the top. So the bottom, let's see the bottom. The bottom, we are going to start from here. So from here, x plus x plus x plus x plus x gives us what? 5x all over x plus x plus x plus x gives us what? 4x all over x plus x plus x, 3x all over x plus x, which is 2x all over x. So clearly, what can you see? This one can cancel out this one. And what do we have? This implies that we have 5x over 4x all over 3x over 2. 3x over what? Over 2. So clearly, we'll now say that we'll say 4x, since we are starting from the bottom, 4x divided by 3x over 2. So our top, the one we have as our top, 1 all over 24x squared, which is the top one. So from here, we'll say that 4x divided by 3x over 2. 4x divided by 3x all over 2. So put here over 1. This implies that 4x, they will interchange, they'll flip. This becomes times 2 all over 3x. So this one here can cancel out this one. What do we have? 4 times 2 is 8 all over what? 3. So clearly we can see that the whole of this is now 8 all over what? 3. So we'll say 5x divided by 8 all over 3. So 5x divided by 8 over 3. So it becomes 5x times 3 all over 8. So to finish that, we know that this is 5x times 3 there gives us 15x all over what? All over 8. All right, 15x all over what? All over 8. All right, so let's go. So this is the bottom. This is the bottom. This is the bottom. All right, so from here, we have reduced the whole of this now to the whole of this equation, we have reduced it to this, the top, which is 1 all over 24x squared, all divided by the bottom, which is 15x all over what? 50, all over 8, 15x all over 8. So we have reduced it to this. So to work on this, we find out that this is 1 all over 24x squared divided by 15x all over 8. So from here, this is 1 all over 24x squared times the interchange 8 all over what? 15x. Right, let's divide. Let's see what we have. And remember that the whole of this was equals to what? 1 all over 360. Don't forget. So if we divide this, we have that 2 here gives us how many? 1. 2 here 2. 2 here 4. 2 into 12 6. 2 into 4 2. 2 into 6 3. 2 into 2 1. Alright, so from here we'll find out that we have here becomes 1 all over 3x squared times 1 all over 3x squared times 15. 15x, which equals what? 1 all over 360. So this implies that 1 by 3x squared times 15x gives us what? Gives us 45x cubed equals 1 all over 3 what? 360. All right. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do what to press the follow button and follow this channel to support the channel and give us a like thumb to support this channel. All right. So from here, what do? We cross multiply. If we cross multiply from here, we know that we have 360 equals 45x cubed. So to divide both sides by 45 now, we have 45x cubed divided by 45 equals 360 divided by 45. All right, so from here we have that this will cancel out this and x cubed equals 8. So therefore our final answer, which is 2 to power 3, and power here can cancel out power. And so we have, so therefore the whole of this equation equals x, which equals 2, and this is the right answer that satisfies this nested equation. And do well to follow this channel for more interesting problems like this. Remember that mathematics is not a spectator sport. No pain, no gain. See you in the next video. All right, the answer is 2. You can